Well, hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be building some DIY shutters. So when we built this house, one of the corners we cut to save costs was by not putting shutters on the house by the builders. Well, it may not seem like it for saving much, but we saved $15,000 off the build price by not having shutters built by the builder. Well, here I am about 9 months later from the build, and I'm gonna build my own shutters. So what we're gonna be making these shutters out of is a pine 1x6. And for our dimensions, it's gonna take 3 of these with a little bit of an 1/8 inch gap to make the shutters. We're gonna lay these out, get our cuts, prime the wood, paint the wood, and get these things hung. Now, as far as shutters go, you want to get your height, which in this case is 70¼ inches, and you want to measure half of the window, which is 17 inches. Okay, so now that we gave the wood a light sand just to get the edges knocked off, we're gonna set it up, we're gonna put some wood glue down, clamp it so that we can flip it over and put our wood screws in from the back side so that they won't be seen when they're hung on the house. Okay, so I've got the shutters all laid out, ready to be primed and painted. All right, so these shutters have been primed white, and now we've got them laid out, gave them a light sand, and we're gonna paint them black, which will be the final color for these shutters. Well, we've got the shutters painted. It's been 2 coats. Third coat, if you want to include the primer, it is now time to put on the hardware and get these suckers hung on the house. Well, that is a wrap on the shutter project for the house. Saved a lot of money, made something that looks cool, has a cool barn door looking style to these shutters. I'm happy with it, how it turned out. Unfortunately, I think I gotta do the top level now and build at least 2 more of these suckers to be really done. But overall, happy with how it turned out. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like, maybe hit subscribe if you've not yet for some more content like woodworking projects, motorcycles, classic cars, music, and things like that. Thanks for being a part of the channel. Have a good one.